In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your laptop on when the lid is closed in Windows. This is really useful if you use an external monitor, keyboard, and mouse, or if you want your laptop to keep running downloads or long tasks even when the lid is shut. I'll walk you through the exact setting you need to change and explain what each option does, so you know you're choosing what works best for you. First, on your Windows desktop, move your mouse down to the search bar, usually found at the bottom of the screen on the taskbar. Click inside the search box and type Control Panel. When you see the Control Panel app appear in the results, go ahead and open it. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the section related to power. Depending on your view, it might say Power Options directly, or you may need to click on System and Security first, and then choose Power Options. Open that. Inside Power Options, you'll see different plans and settings related to how your computer uses power. On the left side of this window, look for a link that says, Choose what closing the lid does. Click on that. You're now on a page that controls what happens when you press the power button, press the sleep button, and close the lid. Focus on the section labeled When I Close the Lid. You'll see separate options for On Battery and Plugged In. This lets you choose different behaviors depending on whether your laptop is running on battery or connected to power. Click on the drop-down menu next to On Battery under When I Close the Lid. You'll see options like Do Nothing, Sleep, Hibernate, and possibly Shut Down, depending on your system. If you want your laptop to stay on when you close the lid, choose Do Nothing. Then, do the same for the plugged-in drop-down if you also want it to stay on when connected to a charger. Before you move on, make sure you understand that choosing Do Nothing means the laptop will continue running with the lid closed. That's perfect for external monitors, but be aware that the device can get warm if airflow is blocked, so avoid placing it on soft surfaces. Once you've selected your preferred options, go to the bottom of the window and click Save Changes. Your new settings will be applied immediately. From now on, when you close your laptop lid, Windows will follow the behavior you just selected, keeping your system on exactly the way you want it.